Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can calculate range in Excel with 3 easy steps. So let's start with the video. Before we are going to start, I am requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. So here we go. This is my Excel. This is a sample data I have, and I'm going to use this data. If you have huge data like you're working on huge data, you can do same process. So here, what is the range? Range is the difference between the maximum value and minimum value. So for calculate the range, you have to calculate first maximum value in your sheet and minimum value of your data. So let's start with the video. So here I have the some bracket. I'm going to show you how you can calculate maximum data first. So click on the the maximum data where you want to calculate the result. Click on this cell. Now enter the equal sign, that indication to Excel. I'm going to use the formula now. So use the formula like max. Click the tab, the bracket. A bracket will be automatically open now, and now you have to select all data that you want to calculate range. So select all data and just close the bracket, and you will get the maximum value. So here next step is you have to calculate minimum value. So use the formula like type the equal sign, click minimum, click the tab, the bracket will be open. Now select the all values that you want to calculate, close the bracket, and now you get the minimum value. So how the final step, I'm going to show you how you can find the range between that. So simply range is different between maximum value and minimum value. So you have to subtracting from maximum value and minimum from maximum value to from maximum value and minimum value. So let's start. So sign into the sign, equal sign, then get the first maximum value here, then subtracting sign like minus sign, and click on minus minimum value and just enter. So that is range, guys. Okay, so how you can calculate range? This is a range you can calculate. So you can calculate this range in any manners as per your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.